Just one small step in preparing idli and dosa batter helps you to reap innumerable benefits from your food. Welcome to Whada Gravy. Take half a cup of whole white Urad Dal, add to a bowl, wash 3 to 4 times, add water, and soak for 3 hours. Take half a cup of whole black Urad Dal, add to a bowl, wash 3 to 4 times, add water and soak for 8 hours or overnight. Black urad is one of the richest sources of proteins and vitamin B, full of iron, folic acid, and rich in minerals. Both the white and black Urad Dal have soaked well. What we are going to do now is to sprout the dals. Drain the water completely from both the dals. So why sprout? When you sprout, you bring the seeds back to life. Take an airtight container, place a wet cheesecloth. I have squeezed the excess water from the cloth. Place the white Urad Dal in the cloth. Wrap. Make sure that there is no excess moisture, especially for white urad. And close the container. Repeat the same for the black Urad Dal. Black urad needs more soaking time as it is with the skin. Both varieties of dal can be sprouted. You can also add the soaked dals directly to the container for sprouting. The next day, to soak the rice, add 3 cups of parboiled or idli rice to a bowl. Wash 2 to 3 times. Add water and allow to soak for 6 hours. 30 minutes before grinding, take half a cup of poha, aval or avalakki, add to a bowl. Wash in water 2 to 3 times and add water. As I had brown poha, I am using that. This takes a little bit longer to soak. After a day and a half, let us check the white urad. Sprouting has many health benefits. The germination breaks down starch, making the nutrient composition higher. Also, the phytate in the grain is broken down, allowing better absorption of nutrients. You can see the sprouts here. Let us check the black urad now. It has sprouted beautifully. Sprouted grains also have less starch, making them easily digestible. Another good news is that they are more alkaline as compared to normal grains. To a wet grinder, add the sprouted white Urad Dal, some of the rice-soaked water, and then the sprouted black Urad Dal. I regularly use black urad as the nutrient and fiber levels are higher because of the skin. For demonstration purposes, I have shown the sprouting of both the Urad Dals. Add water little by little. Only then will the dal fluff up. Urad Dal has anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties, helps manage diabetes, aids in digestion, helps maintain bone and heart health. I am also adding some ice cubes. This will neutralize the heat generated at the time of grinding. You can use ice water too. After almost 30 minutes, the Urad Dal has ground fine and more than doubled in volume. When added to a bowl of water, it should float. Remove the dal. Add the soaked idli rice. Add enough of the soaked rice water. Now add the soaked poha. and some of the rice-soaked water. I'm adding half a cup of cooked rice. Poha and cooked rice give a soft consistency to the idlis. You can also make both crispy and soft dosas with this. The measurement that I have used is 3 cups of idli rice, half a cup of poha, half a cup of cooked rice, and 1 cup of sprouted urad dal. Grind the rice to a fine rava consistency. To a vessel, add the ground urad and rice batter. Add 2 teaspoons salt or as required. I have not soaked menthia. I am adding 1 teaspoon of methi or fenugreek powder. Methi is again optional. Mix well. Close and allow to ferment. Fermentation again depends on the temperature at your place. I am leaving this overnight. The next day, the batter has risen well. Mix gently. As the batter is thick, I'm adding some water. The top portion of the batter is generally used to prepare idlis and yields fluffy idlis. As the rice tends to settle at the bottom, the batter left after pouring the idlis can be used to prepare dosas. Heat a steamer pot with water. Add a drop of oil to the idli plates. Smear and add the batter. Place in the steamer pot and steam for 7 to 8 minutes. Now we have a fluffy idlis ready. Made with sprouted urad dal, you can see that the idlis are really soft. To prepare the dosa, take some batter in a bowl. Add water. Dosa batter is thinner than idli batter, and when made this way, it yields crisp dosas. Heat a dosa tawa, grease with oil. I am making soft dosas first. Take a ladleful of the batter, spread it slightly thick. Add a few drops of oil. Close with the lid. After a few minutes, our soft and spongy dosa is ready. To make crispy dosas, take a ladleful of the batter and spread it as thin as possible. Even it out. Add oil. Reduce the flame to medium-low and allow it to cook. Remove, fold, and serve. Serve with coconut chutney and hot sambar. Here we have our super crispy dosa and soft and fluffy idlis. They not only taste good but are highly nutritious too. The next time you make idli or dosa, do try with sprouted urad dal. A small step, but that which goes a long way in enhancing your health. If you enjoyed watching the video, press the like button and subscribe to keep posted on more such recipes. Thank you for watching. I would love to hear from you.